Let's explore the unknown. Hi everyone, let's explore the unknown. The universe contains everything that exists, from the tiniest subatomic particles, to galactic superclusters, the largest structures known. Nobody knows how big the universe is, but astronomers estimate that it contains at least 125 billion galaxies, each comprising an average of 100 billion stars. The most widely accepted theory about the origin of the universe is the Big Bang theory, which states that the universe came into being in a huge explosion called the Big Bang that took place between 10 and 20 billion years ago. The universe initially consisted of a very hot, dense fireball of expanding, cooling gas. After about 1 million years, the gas began to condense into localized clumps called protogalaxies. During the next 5 billion years, the protogalaxies continued condensing, forming galaxies, in which stars were being born. Today, billions of years later, the universe as a whole is still expanding, although there are localized areas in which objects are held together by gravity. For example, many galaxies are found in clusters. The Big Bang theory is supported by the discovery of faint, cool background radiation, coming evenly from all directions. This radiation is believed to be the remnant of the radiation produced by the Big Bang. Small ripples in the temperature of the cosmic background radiation are thought to be evidence of slight fluctuations in the density of the early universe, which resulted in the formation of galaxies. Astronomers do not yet know if the universe is closed, which means it will eventually stop expanding and begin to contract, or if it is open, which means it will continue expanding forever.
About 13.7 billion years ago, observations by NASA's Cosmic Background Explorer and Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe revealed microwave light from this very early epoch, about 400,000 years after the Big Bang, providing strong evidence that our universe did blast into existence. Results from the Cosmic Background Explorer were honored with the 2006 Nobel Prize for Physics. A period of darkness ensued until about a few hundred million years later, when the first objects flooded the universe with light. This first light is believed to have been captured in data from NASA's Spitzer Space Telescope. The light detected by Spitzer would have originated as visible and ultraviolet light, then stretched or redshifted to lower energy infrared wavelengths during its long voyage to reach us across expanding space. The light detected by the Cosmic Background Explorer and the Wilkinson Anisotropy Microwave Probe from our very young universe traveled farther to reach us and stretched to even lower energy microwave wavelengths. Astronomers do not know if the very first objects were either stars or quasars. The first stars, called population 3 stars, our star is a population I star, were much bigger and brighter than any in our nearby universe, with masses about 1,000 times that of our Sun. These stars first grouped together into mini-galaxies. By about a few billion years after the Big Bang, the mini-galaxies had merged to form mature galaxies, including spiral galaxies, like our own Milky Way. The first quasars ultimately became the centers of powerful galaxies that are more common in the distant universe.
Let's explore the Milky Way and our solar system in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.